Hey guys, how's it going? So today we're going to do a bit of a review on this Ozito 3-in-1 leaf blower. So it's also a vacuum, a leaf blower and a mulcher. So I picked it up from Bunnings Warehouse for $50, which is really cool. It's really cheap compared to the other ones. So let's see how it goes. We're going to test it out today. So what's really cool is that it comes with a 3-year replacement warranty, which you can see over here. It's got 3 years warranty. So for $50, you can't go wrong with that. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. We've got some instructions. Owner's manual. So that's some attachment. Looks like it's just a roller where the vacuum goes into. This looks like the main unit. So it's 240 volts, so you're going to have to use an extension cord, which is a bit of a downside, because the battery ones are more handy. You can just take it out of the garage and use it straight away. But at least you don't have to worry about recharging the batteries. So that's good. Carry handle, I guess. So that's a catcher. I guess that catches all the leaves and dust and whatnot. Seems to be pretty good material. It's got a zip. So it's reusable, that's good. Put that over there. It's got a strap so you can carry it around on your back. And this is the nozzle, so it seems to be pretty long, so I'll put it together and I'll show you guys. Okay guys, so I've assembled it and let's show you a few features it has. So first of all, this is a strap. So you just hook it over your shoulder and then you can just use it like that. I don't really like this strap that much, so I'll probably remove that later. Another feature is it has wheels, so it's easy to slide along the floor. Pretty cool, eh? That's the bag, just like that. So you've got an option between vacuuming, using it as a leaf vacuum or as a blower. So if you put it down, it's a blower, up, it's a vacuum. It doesn't say how to use the mulcher function, so I think when it's as a vacuum, as the leaves go into the bag, it just mulches that through. So that sort of sucks a bit. They didn't explain how that works, but I think that's how it does work. Another feature is it's got a variable speed here, so you can adjust how much pressure you want to blow or vacuum. Yeah, so that's it guys. Now I'm going to put it to the test. Okay guys, so it's all assembled now and we're going to put it to the test. We've got some leaves we need to suck up and we're going to blow away some sand we have on the floor here. Alright guys, let's try it. Okay, so that worked pretty good. Now let's try the blower mode. So we'll just flick it to blower mode, if you can see that. Flick it to blower mode. Let's test it. Okay, so blower mode, it's a lot quicker than the vacuum mode, but it makes a bit more mess, so just depends what you want to do, if you want to get rid of sand or if you want to vacuum up some leaves. So yeah, it's a thumbs up from me, guys. Want to check is see how the mulching function works. So look at that, guys. That's mulched up so good. I can't believe it. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that. All these leaves, they're all mulched up really small. So cool. Alright, so I'll just vacuum that up and that's it. So all in all, this is a great product for $50. Definitely worth buying. 100%.